We haven't even touched the stats of college to say how many are not even making it to college. So first, how we can help the Muslims. This is just something which I have given a lot of study in from 2011, and I have visited more than 100 villages myself personally, and this is what I thought to myself is necessary for us. Number one, send the child to school. Number two, send them to college if they have got MSc. Number three, if they don't have and they've not done well, give them a skill. Make them a driver, make them a carpenter, make them a plumber. Teach them something, bricklaying. Something which they can earn and they can support their family. That is vocational training. Fourth is looking into microfinance, where we need to have a department to say, remember that if it's zakat, you cannot give a loan. You have to make the person an owner. But through microfinance, not interest-based, but where we are giving grants to people to start off businesses, small businesses. The fifth is that if we know that the person is disabled or unable to do anything, then we need to create a system as the Muslim Ummah. Remember that, a great scholar said when he visited the West, he said, I saw Islam, but I didn't see Muslims. I saw Islam, but I didn't see Muslims. It's a very big statement. He said that the whole system is Islam. If you're an orphan, you get a benefit. If you're a single parent, you get a benefit. Everything, nobody is left insecure in these countries because they are following the system which we as Muslims are supposed to follow.